In this chapter, you will learn about how a student starts adding a new artifact and the importance of keeping the portfolio organized. Let's do it. When a student clicks on Add a new artifact, she can add tags to keep work organized in the portfolio. As you learned in other chapters, organizing the portfolio is an important activity that benefits the student's working progress, as well as helping the teacher when reviewing each piece of work. The student is now in the Learning Process page. This guides them through a process of planning, doing, and reflecting to create an artifact. To begin, the student enters a title, chooses a color tag, selects the date if it's different from today's date. In the following chapter, we will learn more about the learning process in planning. To reflect as a class, why is it important to think about adding tags to a new piece of work? Take a few minutes to think about this question. In this chapter, you learned about how your student starts adding a new artifact and the importance of keeping your portfolio organized. Now it's your turn. Open your demo account and practice. You can also print the instructions by clicking on the print button.